Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Paul, and today we will learn about the verb can in English. Let's get started. I can. You can. He can. She can. It can. We can. They can. The verb can is like a special word that helps you talk about what you can do, ask for permission, talk about possibilities, help others, and ask for things in a polite way. I can swim. I can swim. You can talk. You can talk. She can run. She can run. It can rain later. It can rain later. We can dance. We can dance. They can play soccer. They can play soccer. Negative form. I cannot. You cannot. He cannot. She cannot. It cannot. We cannot. They cannot. When we use can't or cannot, it means someone is not able to do something. I can't eat seafood. I can't eat seafood. You can't cook very well. You can't cook very well. She cannot drive a car. She cannot drive a car. He cannot pay the rent. He cannot pay the rent. It cannot rain today. It cannot rain today. We cannot go out tonight. We cannot go out tonight. They can't drink alcohol. They can't drink alcohol. Interrogative form. Can I? Can you? Can he? Can she? Can it? Can we? Can they? We use can to ask questions politely or to find out if something is possible. Can I go to the park with my dog? Can you speak Spanish? Can he fix the car? Can she cook tonight? Can it be recycled? Can we visit Russia next weekend? Can they fix the broken computer? Can you speak Spanish? Can you speak Spanish? Can she come to the party? Can she come to the party? Can they play tennis? Can they play tennis? Can we borrow your car? Can we borrow your car? Can he fix the computer? Can he fix the computer? She cannot swim in the pool. She cannot swim in the pool. They cannot solve the mystery. They cannot solve the mystery. He cannot fix the broken toy. He cannot fix the broken toy. We cannot visit Grandma next weekend. We cannot visit Grandma next weekend. I cannot finish this puzzle quickly. I cannot finish this puzzle quickly. Can she paint beautiful pictures? Can she paint beautiful pictures? Can they solve the mystery? Can they solve the mystery? Can he fix the broken toy? Can he fix the broken toy? Can we visit Grandma next weekend? Can we visit Grandma next weekend? Can I finish this puzzle quickly? Can I finish this puzzle quickly?